So this is a new Oxymed portable oxygen concentrator, just launched. This is the view. I'll show the working. So in the box we are getting one machine, one user manual. This one is the carry bag, so you can carry the machine wherever you want. One nasal cannula, one adapter, one power cord, so you can use it at home for charging. And this one is the car charger. While you are traveling, you can use this machine after charging in your car. So now let's check the working of this machine. So this is the total the screen, and this is the plus or minus button for the flow adjustment. This is the alarm button, and this is the on off switch. So for turning on the machine, you need to press this one for 4 seconds like this, then the machine gets started. See, setting is 2. So now you can check over here, oxygen is not getting out from this port. Okay, this is the mode, this is the pulse mode. So while you are using this machine, okay, you need to connect the nasal cannula here and put the nasal cannula in your nose also, because the machine will work only when the machine will sense your nasal cannula is connected to the mouth properly, to the nose properly, then it will come out automatically. See, there is no nasal cannula connected to the mouth, to the nose, so this light is getting blinked. So this is the flow adjustment button. See, 1, so you can 2, 3, 4, 5. This is maximum up to 5. Okay, this is the cumulative hour showing over here. That's it. When you are not using this machine, just press this one for 4 to 5 seconds and machine will get turned off automatically. See, machine get turned off. There is a filter at the back side of the machine. Here is the filter. So just need to take this one out. Here is the small filter over here. You need to clean this filter at weekly basis if you are using regularly this machine. That's the maintenance of this machine. No need to charge always. Just check over the battery percentage on the screen. If the battery is low, you can charge the machine. Do not use the machine connected to the AC power supply. Once it gets charged, then you can take out the power cord, then you can use it. Charge this machine 4 to 5 hours, okay, then it will give you the backup of 4 hours maximum while you are using at any flow. 1 to 5 you can use it. So this is the total new machine, portable oxygen concentrator, new one.